Hi, today we're back with another gadget from AliExpress, and today we're going to be looking at the King Poland Ediag Elite. So this is a OBD2 diagnostic tool. As you know, I am a do-it-yourselfer, and when that check engine light comes on, it's nice to have something to plug in, do a bit of diagnostics, see what's going on with the vehicle. Maybe a bit of live data also to help you out, as well as it does have some limited bi-directional controls which you don't get with any other dongles at this price. So this is obviously not a professional tool, but for the do-it-yourselfer, for the price, this is perfect. So this connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. So let's see what's in the box. Very nice packaging. Nice little carry case. Keep the device protected. Scan to activate the device. So you've got a QR code here to activate the device. 24/7 customer help. This device also does come with lifetime free updates, so you won't be paying any surprise subscriptions. Download the di.y app and log in, so you have another QR code for the app. Start installing the app on the phone. Step 1, download the open link. So as you can see, the Ediag app is opened up in the Play Store. Install. Okay, so we open up the app. Register now. Okay, so once setting up our email account, we get the screen to go to the activation. So let's click activate. We have our serial number on a QR code here. So let's just and that's it. We've finished the activation. Next step is to go out to the vehicle. Okay, the o.b.d. port on this Nissan Qashqai. It's behind this cover here. Opening up our little carry case. There's the dongle. Plug it in. Get a little beep, little LED there. Right, let's go to the app and have a look. Okay, so let's start with the o.b.d functions. So it's connecting with Bluetooth to the dongle. The dongle LED is changing colors. Cyan, blue. Here we go, we're in. So we have a summary here of the readiness completed, whether we have the engine light on, and what protocol it's using for the CAN bus. Enter to go into the next menu. So let's, since we don't have we can clear the fault codes from here. We can read codes. I don't have any errors, so I don't think I'll have any codes. No fault codes. Okay, so let's go and have a look at some live data. Let's just select a few popular ones here. Mass airflow, coolant, RPM, intake air temp, short term fuel trim, and long term fuel trim. So we've got 36 possible options here. So we've selected 6 of the popular ones. Okay. I see you can, on the right hand side, it allows you to graph it. If it's not happy with some of the numbers, I noticed it shows it in red. Okay. Engine RPM 0. Right, let's start up the car. Nice, everything seems to be reading. Press graph. There we go, we've got a nice graph. Okay, engine RPM's coming down. Back to the data stream. So we do have some live data. That's very nice. Let's go back to, would you like to end the diagnostic session? Yes. Okay, we've disconnected from the dongle. So if we go, what else have we got here? Maintenance functions. Okay, so we have some things here that you can use maybe to reset oil maintenance, bleed your ABS, DPF regeneration. Of course, this petrol car doesn't have DPF. Steering angle reset, that's an interesting one. We did replace the clock spring on this car a while back, and I made a video of that, and a lot of people had problems doing that. And if they had this steering wheel angle reset, they might have been able to reset the sensor for steering wheel angle. That might have sorted out their problem. What else have we got here? Injector coding, gearbox relearn, battery matching, EGR, sunroof initialization, air level calibration, and adaptive front lighting. So that's what we have for the maintenance. Back to the main menu. Set up some reports and some history. Okay, next up, let's go to the all system diagnostics. We can do a health report, and we can do those all important bi-directional controls. So I've downloaded the software for Nissan. Okay, the health report, everything was green. I don't have that many modules on this car, being an older model. Okay, going into the ECM. So we have key on, engine off. There we go. Let's see what actuation tests we have in the ECM. Right, quite a few here. Let's one that we can test. Cooling fan. So cooling fan off. Let's put it straight to high. Execute. And I can hear the fan. It's come on. Definitely working. Back to off. Execute. And it's gone. And it's switched off. So bi-directional controls are working. For this price in Scan Tool, that's absolutely amazing. So that's a quick unboxing and a quick look at the diagnostic tool from King Bolin. From their website, key features, they talk about things like supports 22 languages, support for iOS and Android, lifetime free update online, and a few other things. They're talking about the bi-directional testing, 50 maintenance functions, supports over 120 models and cars. So for the price, this little tool is very impressive, very easy to use. I set this up in a couple of minutes, no beating around the bush. Plugged it in the car straight away. I was able to read codes, clear codes, and I was able to read some live data. For all you do-it-yourselfers out there, if you're interested in a tool like this, I'll leave a link in the description and some discount codes. For the price, you get a lot of bang for your buck. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. As always, thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix. and I'll see you in the next one.